So good morning my dear students. Today we shall revise first chapter of the geography, that is the India size and location. Yes. So some facts which you are knowing from the earlier time, I am just revising. India is located in the Asia continent. Is it? Now in the Asia continent, where is it? Southern part. Is it? Now what is the area of the India? The area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. And with this area in the world, it has the 7th position. Is it? Don't be confused. Yes, why am I telling this? 7th position in terms of the area. 2nd position in terms of the population. Clear? Yes. Now, location. What is the location of the India? In this, we shall discuss both latitudinal as well as the longitudinal. So, location. Latitude. This latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Now, longitudinal extension. Longitude is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Now, about the latitude and the longitude, you have studied in your previous classes. I am just giving a rough description. Globe, equator, the lines which will be parallel to the equator, these are the lines of the latitude. Yes. Now, latitude over longitude. These are the lines of the longitude which are horizontal to the equator. Over. Now, in our previous classes, we have discussed about the 5 important latitudes: equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. So, Tropic of Cancer. Whose position is 23 degree 30 minute east. Yes. In some places you have seen 23rd, sorry, don't forget, north. 23rd and half degree north. Both are same thing. So this Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, almost middle, we can say, middle, almost middle of this country. And because of the passing of this Tropic of Cancer, our whole country, India, is divided into the 2 climatic zones. The area which will be upper of the Tropic of Cancer, that is in the tropical region, and another which is downside of the Tropic of Cancer, that is the subtropical zone. Yes. Now, one more specific feature of India is Jungfrau mountain. This young-fold mountain is the Himalayas. This Himalayas surrounded our country from the three sides: northwest, north, as well as the northeast. Yes. Beside that, from the north to south, the area or the extension of our country is 3214 kilometers. And if we talk from east to the west, that is 2933 kilometers. So by seeing this, we can say that north-south extension of our country India is bigger compared to the east-west. Yes. Now, the total land area which is occupied our country India, as well as the coastline, we are going to discuss. Total land area, that is 15,200 kilometers. Coastline is 7,516.6 kilometers. Yes. Such a big coastline in the Indian Ocean. Any country didn't have, and because of this only, this Indian Ocean got its name. Now, in our country, two island groups are there. Yes, this is the Indian Ocean. Because of this because of the taper feature of our country India, this whole Indian Ocean is divided into two. East side is the Bay of Bengal, and west side is the Arabian Sea. Okay. Now, because of such a long coastline only, our country can make trade relations with the countries of the East Asia as well as with the countries of the West Asia, Europe and Africa. Now neighbors, some of our neighbors are, first our favorite one, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, as well as Sri Lanka. One more is Maldives. These are the neighboring countries, neighbors. Okay. Our country India has a close relations with our neighboring countries. Now, one more term which is given in your book, that is the Suez Canal. This Suez Canal joins India to the Europe. And because of the opening of this Suez Canal, the distance between the India and Europe is reduced by reduced by approximately 2,900 kilometers. Now, as we are seeing, such a important trade is being made from India to the other countries of the world through its ocean routes. But the trade history of our country India is from the ages when There was not the discovery of the ocean route. At that time also, land route. Various land routes were there from the mountain passes. Now what is this pass? Pass means narrow gap between the range of mountains. Between ranges of mountains. So from the ancient time only, traders were using these narrow gaps and making trades with the India. Through these mountain passes only, India gave the idea of the Panchatantra, Ramayana, Upanishad, decimal system, numeral system to the other countries of the world. Besides these ideas, maximum items of the merchandise, cotton, silk, indigo, pepper, saltpetre means gunpowder, that they were carried to the other countries of the world. So this was all about the first chapter of the geography. Bye bye.